know that in Bulgarian you can turn almost any statement into a question with just one word. And if you learn how to use it, you instantly sound more fluent in Bulgarian. That word is нали. So let's see how do we use it. We use нали when we have some kind of information, we think that we know the answer and we're looking for a confirmation. In English, you might say, isn't it, right, don't you, or similar expressions. In Bulgarian, we just say нали. Let's take a look at a few examples. Ти си ученик, нали? You're a student, right? Тя е от Германия, нали? She is from Germany, right? Времето е хубаво. The weather is nice, isn't it? So you just take the sentence and you put нали at the end of it. And if you want to start learning real Bulgarian, just let us know. We are here to help you. We have group lessons, individual classes, and speaking practice sessions tailored to your level and your needs. Just send us a message and we'll give you more information. We are here to help you.